I also went to Five and Below and I picked this out. This is Make Your Own Squish Mee. And so you have a cat, a hamster, and a dog. They had other sets. I believe they had ocean animals and food, but this is the one that I thought I would enjoy the most. So here they are all together. The ones from the Dollar Tree are definitely my favorite, and I think they are actually worth the price. I'm just not a big fan of these. And they did have a box, like I said, of ocean animals that I was actually thinking about buying, and I'm not so sure anymore. Okay, so my next idea is to take this bowl of ice cream and the hamster and to combine them to make a new squishy. So this is going to be Maggie, Maggie the hamster. I'm going to cut off the strawberry, glue Maggie on, and Maggie's going to be holding the little strawberry. And these are the colors I'm thinking about using for her. Okay, so in order to create this, I have to cut the strawberry off. And I've never cut anything off of a squishy before, so I am a little bit nervous. So now I just need to glue her on. Here is the strawberry. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be, but it still, I think, will look cute. And now I just need to figure out how I'm going to make arms to make it look like she's holding it. So this is the next day. I used Fabric Fusion to glue the little hamster on. And then I've started going around with some brown puffy paint to add the chocolate and the light blue for the cup or the bowl. Okay, so I need to wait for the paint to dry, and I went ahead and added the strawberry. I don't have rubber bands, so I'm having to use a ponytail holder, and I used another ponytail holder to glue the hamster on, and it worked just fine. So there was also a kitten inside the Squish Mee, Make Your Own Squish Mee kit. And so this is the little kitten. And I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with the kitten, but when I was in Family Dollar, I saw these color and play kit. And it had this little car. And I thought it would just be fun to stick the little kitten in there, like she's driving maybe to the mall or something. The kitten is a little bit too big. So here's Maggie. I think she turned out super cute. I did have to make her arms, so they're not perfect, but I think it's a very cute squishy. So I decided to name her Diva. And she is finished as well. So here are the two squishies side by side. I think this is my favorite one that I did out of this group. I think this one's cute, but it's just not really my style, like the glitter on the car and everything. And here are all the squishies that I got from Five Below and the Dollar Tree, all completed side by side. Over here I have my least favorite to my most favorite.